Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Python is actually installed and where it lives, because missing files cause the error. Open command prompt and run Python version and pi-3 version to see what responds. If neither returns a version, don't panic. Make sure you have an installer or note the install folder. Once done, you'll either add that folder to path or rerun the installer with add Python to path checked so Windows can find the executable. You now modify path so the shell can locate Python. exe. Open environment variables, edit path, and add the install directory plus the script subfolder. This lets Python and pip run from any directory. Once added, close and reopen command prompt. Then run where Python and Python version to confirm the correct path shows. If you prefer, rerun the installer and check add Python to path to automate this. Make sure there are no extra Finish by verifying pip and file associations so scripts run smoothly. Run Python mpip version and try Python C print OK. If multiple versions exist, use pi-3 to target Python 3 explicitly. Make sure to restart any editor or shell so environment changes take effect. If things still fail, one key tip. Check for spaces or non-ASCII characters in the install path or an overzealous antivirus quarantining Python. exe. Moving to a simple path or whitelisting fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.